Bert's Garden!
Hi, this is Bert from Bert's Garden. Today we're going to make a holiday arrangement from things you have growing already in your garden. Here I am at Bert's Garden. I'm going to collect some green foliage for Christmas time. Here's a evergreen privet. It's kind of unshapely, so when I cut the foliage, I'm going to try to keep the shape of the shrub in mind. These are sticking up too tall. These pieces are probably too big for your arrangement, but you can always cut them down when you get them inside. Will last inside for a few weeks. We want to collect some holly with holly berries from the holly tree. I need to get some branches with foliage and some berries. I like to use this ratchet pruner because it's easy. I can cut small branches and I can cut larger ones with it because of the ratchet. Again, I'm thinking about the shape of the tree. I'm taking the branches that stick way out. If the branch is too big for my arrangement, I can still cut it back and get it inside. These are sedum spectabile. Some of you know it as autumn joy. The seed heads are good. They don't seem to drop much. And they have a nice sturdy stem. So it adds a little brown or rust color to your arrangements. Now we're going to talk about some hydrangeas. Some of them fall apart, like this oak leaf hydrangea. It has a fairly pretty flower, but it falls apart pretty easy. So I'm not going to pick those to take in. They can be dried, but you have to pick them when they're in their prime. And then this one is a different hydrangea. It's called Little Lime, and it seems to have some really nice, attractive flower blooms. Again, I want to think about the shape, and I might prune it down low, but I can always cut these out when I get it inside. I've collected a lot of greens. I've collected hollies and some cryptomeria. I don't have too many other needle-leaved evergreens, but you can use pine, spruce, fir, hemlock. You may have some of those growing in your garden. This is evergreen privet. I have some foliage here that's nice and shiny. It's from the camellia plant. Many of you have camellias growing. And then I have a large rosemary growing, so I gathered a lot of this for the fragrance. I also have some nice shiny foliage from the southern magnolia, a beautiful large texture, and it has a nice velvety brown underside. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to Bert's Garden here. Watch another video over here.